Your last YouTube video got 8 views and then died. It's frustrating, right? You've done everything right. The tags, the title, the thumbnail, but it just sits there. The secret is that in 2026, the algorithm is burying videos that sound like everyone else. Generic advice is everywhere, and if you're not standing out, you're being hidden. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly what to do instead to get noticed. Hey there! So if you haven't already noticed, I'm Isabel's AI avatar, while the real me is probably taking care of my special needs daughter or helping women launch their online businesses from home inside my membership, Home Biz Builders. But everything I'm sharing comes straight from Isabel's real journey, and it's built for real life, not perfect life. I've been there. I once spent days making a video that I thought sounded professional. I used big fancy words trying to sound like the marketing gurus on YouTube. It flopped hard, but then something different happened. My first real online sale happened while I was sitting in a doctor's waiting room with my daughter. I was just being myself, answering a question on my phone. That's when I realized people don't want perfect content. They want a person sharing what actually worked. YouTube now favors specific real-life stories over generic advice. Your life as a busy mom or midlife caregiver isn't a distraction, it's your superpower. Here's how the tech works. YouTube tests your video with a tiny group of people first. If it feels like a copy of 10 other existing videos, the system simply stops showing it. To fix this, stop guessing. Start by answering real questions from your comments or DMs. When you speak directly to one person's struggle, the algorithm takes notice. Next, share one short, real story from your day, even if it's just about finding 5 minutes to work. Women like us have tiny pockets of time. Use them and talk about them. You also need a simple system that works while you're busy being a mom or a caregiver. I use tools like System.io for a free funnel and a basic email sequence. It keeps your business running in the background so you don't have to be on 24/7. It's about working smarter, not harder, with the resources you already have. I want to help you get this clarity for your own business. I'm inviting you to join my free 5-day clarity challenge. We'll figure out who you help, what problem you solve, and your very first offer idea. You'll walk away with a tiny pocket of time plan that actually fits your real life. Click the link in the description and join me inside. It's completely free. Remember, you don't need perfect words or a big budget. You just need your real story and a simple system. Now that you understand why your videos aren't getting seen, click this next video to watch services versus digital products and figure out what you should actually be building. Then jump into my free 5-day clarity challenge to make it yours. I'll see you there.